Welcome to Rolly Studio Global. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful design which elevates the saree into a heavenly look. It is very grand, a boutique style of design which nobody can think of. So this is the saree whose blouse is going to be highlighted with a beautiful design using the saree material itself. And this is the saree, and where you can find a very shiny purple color, and which is hand woven completely. You can find the threads, and it is very unique in its way, because nowadays it's completely machine woven sarees, and this kind of hand woven borders are very rare to see. And this is a combination of orange and violet color, and which is a very rare combination again. And it is the next side of the border, which is only 2.5 inches of same violet color, but which gives a very decent look to the saree. And this temple is about 15-inch height, which is very good when we wear. And this is the pallu of the saree, where we have only violet thread. It is not with mixed orange color. So very nice saree I have, I think. And this is the blouse, that another side border alone I use for the sleeves, and the remaining bit of that I use for making border on the square neck of the blouse. And blouse is stitched with only orange color part of that. The temple border was in the blouse piece also, but I preserved that to make some design out of that over the blouse, and which will be very perfect to the blouse, because the violet shade combined with orange is rare to get from bits from the shops. So we have to use only the blouse piece. And these are the material, 2 patches I have, and double strand stone, which is not corroded at all. And this double strand will be very helpful to highlight the design. And the clever way of making designs for a blouse is using the same piece from the waist blouse material. And this is the temple actually, and some top part of that is used while stitching the blouse. I have used that in the front side of the blouse, so nobody can see it. And I have used a rectangular shape to be cut from the temple, so that it can be very smartly used for a design. See, all the 4 sides of the rectangle I just fold and make a very good stitch with the same color thread. And this rectangular size is our desire. You can make the size, depends upon how much material you have. So the size of the material will decide the size of the rectangle. Even you can have attachment there, but luckily I have got a piece without any attachments there, and fold the rectangular piece in the way how I show in the video. And it is just like the paper fan what we do for playing. So very simple job. So I gather them at the middle, and I am ensuring that the frills are very good, both the sides equally present, and having a thin thread. You can tie at the middle. When you make the tie very tight, then it exactly converges at the middle, diverge at the ends, and giving a bow shape beautifully. And frills are also very good. And now I am going to fix this bow in right side corner of the square neck in this way. And it's a so easy job. Within 10 minutes you can complete this work, and anybody can do it. Even machine is not needed. All the things whatever I have shown can be done with normal hand stitching also. So take the pride that you are going to do your blouse. So just I have stitched with the violet color thread, so the stitches are invisible. And also all the sides of the bow I am fixing with the blouse with same violet color thread, giving invisible stitches. But take care while making the stitches, the frills what we formed are not collapsed. So first have a tag on the frill part, later you can even have machine stitch. So frill will only give the beauty here, so don't collapse it. So very small invisible stitches I am giving, which is tightly fixed with the blouse. It's a very unique pattern, no? Bow fixing at one corner is something unique, which you can have only in Rolly Studio Global. I am happy in that way. and I am further making it over by using the double strand chain and giving just a hand stitch, because it is with a transparent base. You can fix it roughly and iron it from the back, but I don't do that usually. I go for stitching with the same color thread so that the thread is also invisible. So now we are going to make the very strong stitch using the sieving machine, because I have done stitches only in the frill part and also the 4 corners and few places in the sides, just to make the place permanent. But I wanted my blouse to be so durable for long time usage, so better go for machine stitch. So ensure that the stone chains are not disturbing the needle of the machine, otherwise needle sometimes will break and you have to change the needle often. So that slowly you just cross the part where you have the stone chains and complete all the 4 sides, so giving more durability to your blouse. And I always want my blouse to be unique in its way, so I just take a notebook and draw something, and I have many pages in my notebook with new designs, and whatever the material available with low cost and less time, I just make some designs. And this is the time I'm sharing everything with you, thanks to YouTube channel. And this is the patch which I'm going to fix at the center of the bow. That's it. Let it dry. Later you can have the hand stitches once it is completely dried with same color thread, definitely. And it is the again stone chain. I'm going to make the bow little glitter. So at the center it is double strand, and after that I am going to cleave it into single strand. It is, as I said, it has a transparent base which can be easily cut with the scissor. So at the center, both the sides, I am stitching with the same color thread, of course. Give as many stitches as possible so that it is tightly fixed there. The same way I do in the left side of the bow also. And don't demand for machine for all the stitches, it has to be done with only your fingers. And now I cut that into 2 parts, single strands. So as the flower is blossom, you can have the sides by using the single strand stones. Again you give hand stitch there. And this is very good material you can use for your blouses, because a few stone chains are corroded in due course of time, but this particular kind of material having the transparent base which can be ironed is never corroded. I have used in many of my blouses, that's why I give guarantee for that. So go for the shop, even you can show this video and ask this kind of material. And then I further make the pleats very tight and fix them with invisible stitching. Now what I am doing is cutting the stone chain into a small square having 4 stones in each, and I am going to fix them randomly on the blouse so that it is little more elevated. It is random, you don't measure and do this, just to see and make marks. Later you can fix in those places and have hand stitch nicely. You can even gum it. So instead of gluing it, I am making stitches. See, this is the finished look of the blouse. See how nice it is. It is a square curl with the same violet color material as the border, and that border in its one corner has a bow. That bow is nicely decorated. It's a heavenly look. You can get these kind of designs only in famous very costly boutiques, but Rolly Studio Global will help you to do the same with your own fingers, and it's magical. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.